Hi guys. Today I want to revisit the move, rotate, and scale command, or as it's known in the survey community, transform by points. So you can find it under your CAD, and it's this command here, by points. So it's move, rotate, scale object by points. You select what you want to scale, rotate, and then you're gonna go snap to the corner, snap to the corner. So you're going point 1, point 2 from the system, and now you're going point 1 to point 2 to system. And as you can see, I had these rectangles prepared and I scaled the one on the right by 2, and it automatically calculated our scale. And if you were rotated or something, it would calculate your rotation angle. Now you can enable the 3D move toggle, and if you hit and put your delta elevation, it would automatically added it. So as you can see, point 1 is at 100, point 2 is at 200. If we done it correctly, point 1 is at 150, point 2 is at 250. All the other properties stay the same. So when would you want to use this? Maybe you're doing some kind of transformation from a local to UTM. This could be a way where you have local coordinates and UTM coordinates. So you have 2 points, everything else should be the same. You can flip it up. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next one.